Welcome, BA Psychology students, to the final leg of your academic journey, the PSY-444 Senior Seminar in Psychology Capstone course. Some of you may be wondering what a capstone course is, so I created this video to provide a brief overview of the PSY-444 course. We'll start with course outcomes. If you look at the course outcomes that are in the syllabus, you'll notice that they are identical to the BA Psychology program outcomes. Different from a traditional course, these program outcomes are clear, concise, measurable statements of knowledge, skills, and abilities that you have developed throughout your time here in the BA Psychology program. They're a little more complex and represent higher order thinking skills with multiple cognitive dimensions, as opposed to the more simplistic course outcomes that you would see in your earlier courses. Second, the formative assessments. In this course, you will have milestone assignments, discussions, 2 quizzes, and they are formative assessments. They're basically building blocks or practice for the final project. So use the feedback that you receive on these formative assessments to help guide completion of the final artifact, which will be your final project. And learning, the third component of this capstone course. There is no new information that will be disseminated in this course. There's no course textbook. Basically, you're using the resources that are provided here, and your focus should be on your comprehensive project, putting the pieces to that project together throughout the duration of this term. And lastly, your summative assessment will be developed from the formative assessments I described a second ago. The summative assessment is your final project. This final project is designed to assess and measure your competency on the program outcomes, the course outcomes. Whereas collectively, the formative assessments equal 20% of your overall course grade, 80% of your course grade derives from the final project. There are 3 milestones that lead into your formal research report, which is your final project. As you get started, I want to provide a word of caution. As you review the final project rubric in Module 1, do not get overwhelmed with everything that has to be completed. You will do this piece by piece throughout the 8-week course. I hope that you now have a better understanding of what PSY-444 is all about. I'll see you in the course room.